Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Moewalls and signing in because your library and settings sync across devices. Once signed in, select the correct device profile so Moewalls suggests the right aspect ratio. This matters for cropping. Next, import the images you'll use. Drag files, select downloads, or pick from the cloud. Make sure each file's resolution matches your display to avoid blur. Once imported, Moewalls will index and show thumbnails for the next step. Now you'll customize how wallpapers behave. Choose a preset, static for single images, slideshow for timed rotations, or animated if your device supports it, and preview to confirm. Then fine-tune crop, pan, and zoom so key parts of the image remain visible. Apply color filters only if contrast is needed. Configure slideshow duration and order, and set scheduling or folder watch so new images update automatically. These controls let you balance aesthetics with performance. Finally, save your profile and push it to linked devices so the look is consistent everywhere. Once synced, test on the actual display to check for edge cropping or pixelation. If issues appear, recrop or select a higher resolution image. If the wallpaper doesn't apply, make sure Wi-Fi sync is on, then clear the app cache and re-upload the problematic image. Restarting the app often resolves lingering issues. If you still see trouble, recheck permissions for storage and display access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.